Are you struggling to get noticed by recruiters on LinkedIn? I was in the same boat until I optimized my profile, and let me tell you, it made a huge difference. In this video, I'm going to share 6 powerful tips that helped me land interview calls from companies like Amazon, Google, Microsoft, Airbnb, PayPal, and many others. And the best part, most of these tips can be implemented within a few hours. Optimizing your LinkedIn profile is one of the easiest and most effective things that you can do during your job search. Recruiters are actively searching for candidates on this platform, so having an impressive profile is the key to attract their attention and also increase your chances of landing your dream job. Before we dive into profile updates, let's make sure we are not spamming our network with every little tweet. Nobody wants to see a notification every time that you are making a change. So to keep things clean, we will quickly turn off profile edit notifications. Head over to your settings and privacy, then navigate to visibility section. Look for sharing profile updates and simply toggle that off. Easy peasy, right? Now you can edit freely without bothering anyone in your network. Without any delay, let's dive into tips. Tip number 1. Update high quality professional picture. First things first, LinkedIn, it's all about professionalism. Imagine it as your digital handshake to potential employers and also your connections. So while that funny picture with your cat might be a great fit for your Facebook, but it won't do any favors here. What we are aiming for is a clear professional headshot. Think of a clean background, good lighting, and most importantly, your smiling face, which is in front and center. It shows confidence and also approachability. Now, maybe you don't have professional headshots on hand or you just haven't got around it. Not a problem. There is a handy website called PFP Maker which can be your hero and which is absolutely free to use. Simply upload a decent photo that you already have and PFP Maker will use its superpowers to generate a bunch of professional looking options for you. It's like having a mini photo studio in your pocket. Tip number 2. Add a professional headline. What's the first thing someone sees on your LinkedIn profile? Your headline, of course. That's why it needs to be more than just your job title. We want it to be engaging and tell people what you are all about. And here's the trick. Ditch all the generic titles and showcase your skills and the value that you're going to add. Instead of marketing manager, try something like content marketing guru, building brand awareness with engaging stories. You see the difference? If you're out of ideas, on writing title, try this fill in the blank template. I help whoever the target audience achieve desired outcome with my skills in your key skills. And here's an example. I help startups grow their user base with data-driven marketing strategies. Bonus tip here is if you want to stand out even further, consider adding a number-driven achievement to your headline. Just for example, social media manager increased brand engagement by 30%. How did it sound? And here's another template. Role, skill, interest or a value. For example, if you're a student, you could write something like aspiring cybersecurity expert, building secure systems with Java. Now, if you're a working professional, you can try with data scientist at ABC company, Python and machine learning, optimizing healthcare processes with AI. As I said earlier, if you want to stand out even further, add a number-driven achievement to showcase your impact. For example, full stack developer, Python and React increased website conversion rates by 20%. Tip number 3. Customize URL. Your default LinkedIn URL might be a jumble of letters and numbers. Not exactly memorable, right? A custom URL with your name can transform your profile to land more interviews. Studies shows resumes with LinkedIn links featuring custom URLs have 71 higher chance of getting a recruiter's attention. That's a huge boost to your job search efforts. Custom URLs play a role in your profile search engine ranking. When someone Googles your name, your profile is more likely to appear at the top, increasing your visibility to potential employers. If you looked at my resume video, I included the LinkedIn custom URL. It becomes a convenient way for anyone to find your profile instantly if you add it to your resume. To customize your URL on your LinkedIn profile, head over to Edit Public Profile and URL, click the edit icon and personalize your URL with your name or something professional and memorable. Save the changes and you're done. Tip number 4. Optimize your About section with powerful keywords. Your About section is the prime real estate of your LinkedIn profile. And it also plays a crucial role in attracting recruiters by improving the ranking of your profile. In order to optimize your About section with powerful keywords, first you need to find those keywords and then use those keywords in crafting your story. Here's how to leverage keywords to make it shine. Start by reviewing job descriptions for your target roles. Collect 5 to 10 of them by pasting into a document and analyze all the skills and the experience they emphasize. There are many online tools that can help you with this. Consider using a free word cloud generator. It visualizes the highlights and most frequently used words. I added the link in the description. Check it out. Once you're done figuring out keywords, let's craft a compelling About section using those keywords. Start with a strong introduction. Briefly introduce yourself, mentioning your years of experience, key roles that you have held, and the technologies that you have mastered. Showcase your skills and impact. Don't just list skills. Weave them into a narrative that highlights your achievements. And always remember, use numbers and data to quantify your impact whenever it's possible. At the end, express your goals. Clearly state the type of opportunities that you're seeking. Remember, keywords should be integrated naturally into your story. By following this approach, you will create an About section that grabs recruiters' attention and effectively communicates your strengths and aspirations. Tip number 5. Experience and education. This section is your chance to showcase your professional journey. Here's how to structure it for the maximum impact. Start by listing your most recent position first and then work way backwards. Include your job title, company location, and the dates of employment. Don't just list generic responsibilities. Instead, use bullet points to showcase your impactful projects that you worked on. Quantify your contributions whenever possible. And also spice it up with the metrics and the data to demonstrate the value that you brought. Just for example, designed software solutions for Amazon's last mile, improving delivery operations in the US and EU, resulting in $3.6 million in additional monthly revenue. After each work experience, include relevant technologies and the keywords you used. This helps recruiters searching for a specific skills to find out. After work experience, list your college or the university and the degree that you earned and a graduation year. Adding GPA is totally optional. Also, add your coursework, highlight specific courses that align with your career goals and demonstrate acquired knowledge. Tip number 6. Showcase your projects and certificates. If you have worked on personal projects or contributed to open source projects, be sure to showcase them in the project section of your LinkedIn profile. Provide links to your code repositories and also explain your roles in these projects. And also showcase your challenges that you faced and the solutions that you implemented. This can offer valuable insight into your problem-solving skills and technical expertise. Additionally, add any relevant certifications to the licenses and the certifications section. For example, I have completed this Kubernetes course and I added it here. Lastly, Don't forget to request recommendations from your former colleagues, supervisors, or clients. These testimonials can add a layer of credibility and give potential employers a sense of what it's like to work with you. Following these tips will significantly boost your chances of getting noticed by recruiters and landing your dream job. Remember, the key to success on LinkedIn is consistency and authenticity. I would love to hear your stories and answer any questions that you may have about LinkedIn and optimizing your profile. Thank you for watching and good luck with your job search. Keep your profile updated, stay engaged, and happy networking. If you find these tips helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this.